Hi, today we're gonna learn about the tutorial on Microsoft Excel how to insert a blank space or a blank cells on Microsoft Excel, or a new spaces or new cells and rows or columns on Microsoft Excel, especially for rows, how to insert new rows on Microsoft Excel. So here we have 15 names, and it's based gender and status. So this is the manual method to insert rows. Okay, by clicking the number on the cells and then click insert and rows here. That's a manually, and we're gonna learn about how to do automatically, because as manually we can insert it one by one, but if we need many cells or rows here, so it will take too much time to make one by one the insert. And how to do this? Okay, we need to make a help column, and then we can insert it alternately. Okay, and after we click this, so we just delete the help column. Okay, click here and then right click insert. Okay, so we need to make number here, just for example to type number. Okay, so just give it numbering 1 2, and then block 1 and 2, and then click double click on the corner, the bottom right corner, and then automatically the numbering will be created by Microsoft Excel. And after this, okay, block the number of 15 here. Okay, we need to block it. Okay, as you can see on your screen here. Okay, block this number from 15 until number 1, and after you blocked it, right, just press Ctrl plus C to copy, and then paste on the bottom the numbers from 15 as the last number. Okay, just to space the number 1 until 15 again. Okay, so the difference is on this numbering, is the second numbering, the data is empty. Okay, and after this we click the add cells of A1 here, from A1 to sort number, and then sort A to Z. Okay, and then sort to A from A to Z. Okay, that's automatically the data will be like this. Okay, this is sorting filter, and the menu tab here from A to Z. Okay, so Microsoft Excel will make sorting list like this, because the number 1 is empty, 2 is empty, 3 is empty, 4 is empty. And after this, we just need to delete this help column. Okay, so you can successfully create alternate rows on Microsoft Excel by doing it automatically. So we do not need to create one by one manually, so it will take too much time. Okay, it's just a trick, so you can insert the rows alternately by doing this without manually. And okay, so hopefully this might be useful for you, the tutorial on how to insert account blank and a blank rows. Sorry, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.